In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely clear Google Chrome Incognito search history and what that really means in practice. A lot of people think incognito mode keeps a full searchable history on your device, but the truth is a little different. Chrome Incognito is designed not to save browsing history, search history, cookies after you close the window, or form data locally once the session ends. So if you're trying to make sure your incognito activity is cleared from Chrome, the key is understanding how it works and then closing everything properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, understand how incognito mode works. When you browse in incognito, Chrome does not keep your browsing activity in the normal history list. It also does not save your searches in the regular Chrome history once the window is closed. That means if you open a new normal Chrome window afterward, those incognito tabs should not be showing up there. The important thing to remember is that incognito is session-based. Once the session ends, Chrome automatically removes that local incognito data from the browser itself. Now let's move to the first practical step. Close all incognito windows. Check your screen carefully and look for every open incognito window and tab. Incognito windows are usually easy to spot because they have the dark theme and the incognito icon. You want to close each one completely, not just switch away from it. Click the X button in the top right corner of the window, or close every open incognito window one by one. This is the main step that clears the local incognito session history from Chrome. If even one incognito window is still open, the session is still active, so be sure every single one is fully closed. Once all incognito windows are gone, the temporary local session data is removed from Chrome. Next, restart Google Chrome normally. Open Chrome again, the same way you usually would, but this time launch it in regular mode, not incognito. When Chrome opens, you should notice that the previous incognito tabs do not appear again. That's expected, because Chrome does not restore incognito sessions like normal tabs. This is one of the reasons incognito mode is useful when you want a more private browsing session on your own device. Now, if you want to go one step further, there is an optional extra cleanup method called clearing the DNS cache. This does not clear Chrome incognito history inside the browser, but it can remove temporary DNS records stored by Windows. To do that on a Windows computer, press Windows plus S on your keyboard and type CMD. Then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After that, Windows will clear its temporary DNS cache. Again, this is optional, but it's a good extra step if you want to clear temporary network traces on your computer after using Chrome Incognito. So to recap, Chrome Incognito does not normally save browsing history or search history the way regular mode does. The most important thing is to close every incognito window fully, then reopen Chrome normally. If you want extra cleanup on Windows, you can also flush the DNS cache. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.